Hello friends, welcome back. Here we go with the second set of top 30 interview questions from Python. I hope the last session was useful and interesting. Let's go with the first question. What is pickling and unpickling? Pickling is a process where Python object hierarchy is converted into a byte stream. Remember, it's a process where we convert the Python object hierarchy into byte stream. Unpickling is just inverse of it. We are going to convert byte stream into object hierarchy. That's all. So we have got pickling and unpickling discussed, and it's a very important interview question. What is the use of namespace in Python? A namespace is a simple system which is very useful to control the usage of names in a program. I have two namespaces shown in front of you, and both of them have got var1 in them. So no problem about it. Since they are belonging to the particular namespace, I can use var1 any number of times with respect to the usage of namespaces. If I have 5 namespaces, I can have var1 in all the 5 namespaces, and it is not going to affect us. So Python implements the namespace in the form of dictionaries, and this is to be remembered. What are the types of namespaces in Python? Local namespace, global namespace, and built-in namespace are the 3 types. How do I speed up the Python execution? Well, this is a very important question. You can use lists as much as you can. Use the readily available built-in functions as they are already proven to be very good. You can use xrange in the places of range. You can avoid global variables as much as you can. Please update the Python then and then whenever there is an update available for you. Differentiate global and local variables. The global variables are the ones which are declared outside a function or in the global space. They are accessible by any function in the program. Local variables are declared inside the function, and that is why it is called as local variable, and this variable is present in the local space only and not in the global space. Can you talk about the add property? The property. So the add property is a built-in decorator. This is a very important question. I discussed what is a decorator in the previous set of questions. The add property is a built-in decorator for the property function in the Python. It is used to give special functionality to certain methods to make them act as getters and setters when we define properties inside the class. This is add property, and this is a built-in decorator. What is a deep copy? Is there anything else available like this? Yes, there is a shallow copy which is available. We are going to talk about that as well. A copy of object is copied into another object. I have an object, I take the content of this object and I copy it into another object. It means that any change that you make in the copy will not affect the original object. Deep copy function can be used to implement this, and this is just like photocopying a paper to another. What is shallow copy? With shallow copy, a reference of object is copied to other object. Any changes made to the copy of the object will reflect in the original object as well, and we can implement this by copy. Since we have the reference, that is address, the changes will be reflected in the original version also. Differentiate, break, and continue. Break allows loop termination when some condition is met which you specify and the control is transferred to the next statement. Continue allows skipping some part of a loop when some specific condition is met and the control is transferred to the beginning of the loop. Now that's a major difference, break and continue. How do you capitalize only the first letter of a string in the Python? We can use the capitalize method, and it capitalizes just the first letter of the string. If it is already so, no worries, it will be returned properly. Thank you very much, and more to follow. In the next session, we will have the rest of the 10 questions which are most frequently asked in the Python interviews. Thank you very much, and if you like the channel and the content, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you.